Eric, what's all the cute noises about? Eh? Nice leg moves. Eric. Here comes the Eric. Did you have some nice mackerel today? I think you were given a whole, like actual proper mackerel. Yeah, I thought you were. Not by me either. That was the spare human, wasn't it? Mr. SL. You've been eating like a king, Eric. I think I need to have some dinner. Yeah. Do you think you need to have some dinner? It's always a good plan, isn't it? I mean, you never say no, do you? Oh, big flop. Oh, did I make you yawn? Sorry, I was having a bit of a yawn then. Didn't know it was contagious, Eric, to cats. Yeah, okay, I can do that again. So again, I can do that again. Tired, Eric. Okay, sorry. Sorry. I can do that again. Oh, did I do it wrong? Is that okay? Is that okay? Yeah, good. Good, I'm very pleased you approve. Yeah, okay. Yes, I can do that again. Oh my goodness, Eric, I can't stop yawning. Tired? Yeah. You know how much of a cutie pie you are? Yeah, that much. Big old cutie pie. By the way, thank you for looking after me today. When I walked down the garden, it was dark by then, but I walked down the garden. You needed to come and supervise, didn't you? You had to come and protect me and make sure I was okay. I mean, I was fine, but it was really, really very nice of you to make sure that I got down the bottom of the garden and back safely. So thank you for that, Eric. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much.